Hi everyone. So now let's have a review for the first summative test for Math 9. Okay, this time 9 naman po. Last time I uploaded po yun sa 7 and 9 and 8. Okay, so again, our source here is from depedclub.com. So again, this is not the exact. This is just a review for po. Okay, so these are the possible questions that may come up dun sa test. Okay, hindi po to yung exact questions. Okay. So let's have number 1. Which basic geometric term represents an exact location and has no size? Okay, so for that one po, that is a point. Okay, so remember the word exact location. No size, no dimension. Next, number 2. Which geometric figure extends without end in two opposite directions? Okay, extends without an end, two opposite directions. So that will be a line. Number 3, which geometric term is modeled by a flat surface that extends without end? Okay, extends without end. Flat surface is your keyword here. That is a plane. 4, which part of a line has two endpoints? Two endpoints. So that one is a line segment po. Okay, next. Okay, number 5, which part of a line has one endpoint and extends without an end in one direction? One endpoint, extend in one direction. So this one is a ray. Number 6, what figure is formed by two rays with a common endpoint? Okay, so two rays with a common endpoint. So this one, it is an angle. Number 7, what is the common endpoint of the two rays that form an angle called? Okay, so that one po is a vertex. Okay, so this one, you call this as vertex. Which tools are mainly used in geometric construction? Okay, so that one is a compass and a straight edge. Letter A. Next, number 9, what do perpendicular lines form when they intersect? Okay, so for number 9, two perpendicular lines. Okay, so this one is a right angles. 10, which statement describes parallel lines? Okay, so that one, they are coplanar lines and they do not intersect po. Letter B. What is the sum of complementary? Complementary, that is 90 degrees. 12, what is the sum of supplementary? Supplementary, that is 180 degrees. 13, which statement is true about vertical angles? Okay, vertical angles, that is congruent. Okay, so when you say vertical angles like this, okay, so for example, we have angle 1 and 2, so that is vertical. So whatever the measurement for angle 1, for example, this is 30, that is the same measurement for the angle 2, 30 degrees also. Okay, 14, which pair of angles is a linear pair? Okay, so for linear pair, that should be adjacent and it should be supplementary. Okay, so for number 14, we'll have adjacent angle whose non-common side form a straight line. So straight line, that is supplementary. So letter D. 15, which angles are adjacent angle? So again, when you say adjacent, it has a common vertex and a common side. Okay, so in short, magkatabing angle po. Ayan. For example, angle 1 and angle 2, that is adjacent. Letter A. 16. What do congruent angles have? So for number 16, equal measures. When you say congruent, it means equal. Next, what is a transversal? So a transversal, that is a line that intersects two or more lines at different points. Okay, so for example, we have two parallel lines. And so this line is your transversal. Where are corresponding angles located when a transversal cuts two lines? Okay, for 18, in the same relative position at the intersection. Relative position at the intersection. 19, which description fits alternate interior angle? So alternate interior angle, so they are inside two lines and an opposite side of the transversal. inside the two lines, opposite sides. Okay? So, alternate, opposite. 20. When parallel lines are cut by a transversal, same side interior angles are supplementary. Okay? So, ang supplementary lang po natin ay same side. Other than that, they are all congruent. Yung mga corresponding, alternate, and vertical angle. 21. If two angles form a linear pair and one angle measures 72 degrees, what is the other angle? So again, linear pair, that is equal to 180. So you will have 180 minus 72. Okay, so this is equal to 108. Letter A. If one vertical angle measures 43 degrees, what is the measure of its vertical? So again, when you say vertical, their measurement are congruent. So it is also 43 degrees. 23. If two angles are complementary and one angle measures 35 degrees, what is the other angle? So for this one, so complementary, again, that is equal to 90 degrees. So you just need to subtract it. 90 minus 35. So that is equal to 55 degrees. 24. Parallel lines are cut by a transversal. If one corresponding angle measures 118 degrees, what is the measure of its corresponding angle? So again, four corresponding angles are congruent. So if one measurement is 118, the other is also 118 degrees. And 25, parallel lines are cut by a transversal. If one same side interior angle measures 64, what is the measure of the other same side interior? So again, for our same side, that is supplementary, or that is equal to 180 degrees when you added it. So what we'll have here will be 180 minus 64. Okay, so 180 minus 64, that is 116 degrees. Thank you guys and good luck on your summative.